creeper. Oh man.
Amogus.
Back to behind.
Indeed.
Tonight's heroes are the duo who recently restored peace and order to our Ratchet and Clank. Ratchet and Clank. Tell us about your latest adventures.
And the roast at Al's. What? There was the grand opening at Groovy
Cheetah. Right. I think that was last week.
6 months ago.
No one needs a hero right now.
I need a hero.
Meanwhile, in the Sussyest galaxy in the universe. This is my PC.
Amogus.
What the?
I found.
Mister, you are gonna die.
I found
Ratchet-Man.
Mission of dire urgency.
Did that make any sense?
Ratchet reporting. Ratchet.
What the?
On final approach to coordinates 7-7 Alpha.
I'm counting on you.
Silence.
I see it's
Ratchet. Whoa, no, hey, no, look, I'm just...
security forces. Fini.
Ow! Ratchet, you're dead!
Thugs for thugs. If it ain't thugs, we'll thugs.
Right.
Did that make any sense?
Bye!
Ratchet checking in, sir.
Incredulous.
I'm not happy, Bob. Not happy.
There was a slight problem.
It's time to update my security forces. Do you have any for this quadrant of the Amogus?
You bet, mister! We got galactic 3D fold-outs, cutouts, the stars, and their homes.
What the?
Top of that, I forgot my wallet.
Freeze! I'm thirsty. I said freeze! I'm just getting a drink.
Listen. Ask yourself, if you answered yes, you put away Megacorp.
Welcome. If everyone could take their seats, we can proceed with today's demonstration. Your name, sir?
Ratchet.
It appears the thief is now under the protection of thugs for thugs.
Did that make any sense?
Are the desert?
Top of that, this will happen to you. Farewell.
Excuse me. I think I
Rip ya a new one.
What did you just say to me?
My word! Whoa!
Son of a...
Digit of pi is
0.1415926.
Where are we? I believe that air duct may offer our only way out.
Somebody ordered pizza?
Quark! What are you doing here?
Screw you, Clank.
Come on, Ratchet, you're a bit from that.
Laws for a Ratchet.
Pretend you didn't see anything at all.
You're a bit from that.
You know, ever since the rocket sled, you've been nothing but a giant pain in my...
Eventually, they found a ship and then got on it and then just went to another planet.
Whatever the choo-choo bada. Hey! I saw that!
Ratchet.
For the 5th time, I have a collect call to thugs from a Mr. You are gonna die.
You are gonna die. You idiot. I'm paying top dollar for your security forces. Hey, look!
Coordinates locked in.